What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Bad Idea by Shiloh Dynasty. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the details on how you can enter to win, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song.
Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning. I will have the chords and the diagrams for them in the description below. If you need it, once you get done with the video, go check that out. It will be there for you. Your first chord is going to be, you're simply barring the entire 8th fret with your index finger, or you can use your middle finger, either one, whichever is more comfortable. Index finger just bars the entire 8th fret, and you're using your thumb to pick your low E string. Your index finger is going to pick your D string. Your middle finger is going to pick your G string, and your ring finger is going to pick your B string, and that's going to be for all of these chords. So starting here, and then you're going 8x788, which is middle finger on your 8th fret on your low E. And you're going to skip the A string, and you're going to put your index finger on the 7th fret on your D string, and then your ring finger is going to be on your G string on your 8th fret, and your pinky finger is going to be on your B string on your 8th fret. So here, then here, and then you're going 6x776, index finger on that low E on the 6th fret, skip the A string, ring finger on your D string on your 7th fret, pinky finger on your G string on your 7th fret, middle finger on your B string on your 6th fret. And then your final chord is you're just barring the entire 3rd fret with your index finger and just picking those same strings. Now, once you have those chords down, all you need is your picking pattern. It's very simple. You're just going 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and throughout every single chord. So it looks like this: 1 and 2 and 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 1 and 2 and. Full speed looks like 1 and 2 and 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 that just repeats.
There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.